Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Toyota display here at the Chicago Auto Show. We're so grateful that you're joining us this morning. My name is Maggie Clark. I'm a Toyota product specialist, and I'll be guiding you through a special VIP tour of our brand new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Now, the new Land Cruiser is so exciting because it has been missing from the Toyota lineup for the past 3 years, and it is making its triumphant return and getting back to its iconic off-road heritage. So the Toyota Land Cruiser is actually the longest running nameplate from Toyota and has over 70 years of rich history. It was first introduced in the United States in 1958. Now, the new Land Cruiser will enter the U.S. market in spring of 2024, and it is going to start at the mid $50,000 range. It will be available in 3 different trim levels: the 1958 model, which is the one that's sharing the stage with me here, the Land Cruiser Edition, and then the First Edition, and there will only be 5,000 units of the First Edition available, so that one is definitely going to be a collector's item. So, the Land Cruiser is built on a fully boxed frame. It is built on the Toyota TNGA-F platform, which is the Toyota global truck platform that is also shared with the Tacoma, the Land Cruiser, and the Sequoia. Now, let's get started in the front of the vehicle and then we'll work our way around. All right, so here we are with the 1958 edition. We have an ode to the Land Cruisers of yesteryear with our Toyota Heritage front grille. We have a big bold Toyota sign right there in the middle, and check these out. We have round LED headlights like the old versions of the Land Cruiser. Now, the round headlights will be seen on the 1958 model and the First Edition, whereas on the Land Cruiser model, they will be rectangular LED headlights. We're also going to come standard with the fog lamps here. All right, let's move around to the side again. I'll show you the wheels. We have standard 18-inch wheels. There are 20-inch wheels available. On our side mirrors, we have big side mirrors so you can see all the way around you. We have turn signal indicators, and we also have standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Now, when you look at the top of the vehicle, you'll notice that there is no roof rails or roof racks on this one since it is the base model. However, it is available on the higher trim levels with the roof rails and the roof racks. And Toyota now has a new accessory program that will allow you to choose from 100 different Toyota accessories that can be built into your monthly payments. There are 7 exterior colors. This is black, of course, but we have many other exciting colors like meteor shower and underground. And there are 2 colors that will have a 2-tone body style. That will be the heritage blue and the trail dust. And those 2 colors will have a grayscale color roof. All right, let's go around to the back if you'd like to follow me this way. We have 8.7 inches of ground clearance. And as you're walking, I'll tell you about the powertrain as well. Underneath the hood, we have a hybrid powertrain. That's right. We have a hybrid-only Land Cruiser, but when we say hybrid, it is not a plug-in hybrid. It is a hybrid that uses regenerative braking. So that means that it's going to have our iForce Max powertrain. You can see here on the back, we have our iForce Max powertrain badging. You can also see that on the Tacoma, the Tundra, the Sequoia, and other versions of our trucks that have that same powertrain. So on this one, the Land Cruiser is going to be a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. It's going to get an 8-speed automatic transmission, and that engine is also going to be paired with an electric motor. And that is going to give us 326 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque, allowing you to tow up to 6,000 pounds. So it's going to be very capable. All right, so over here we also have our Land Cruiser badging in black and another Toyota stamp here. Now, one thing that I personally enjoy about the back end of this Land Cruiser is that the glass is able to be popped open. So there is a little button right here. You can pop that open, and this glass can be lifted, and you can easily drop things in. Otherwise, you do have a fully powered hatch. This isn't powered today, unfortunately, but it is a pre-production prototype. And once we open up the doors, you'll be able to stick your head in and see how much cargo capacity that we have behind the second row. This is a 5-passenger vehicle. Also in the cargo area, you will find a 2400 watt plug. So that'll be really fun, especially when you're off-roading and camping. You'll be able to plug in a refrigerator, a microwave, things like that, and really enjoy your Land Cruiser that way. Okay, one other thing I'd like to point out back here is the little button, this little blue horizon that is next to the iForce Max badging. This is our Beyond Zero button, and Beyond Zero is Toyota's philosophy that we have a goal to become carbon neutral and beyond carbon neutral in the future. So inside we have 3 different interior options. With the 1958 model, we do have fabric seats, but even with the fabric seats, we have standard heated seats and standard heated steering wheel. In the Land Cruiser Edition, we will have soft tech seats, and in the first edition, they will be leather. And they will be heated and ventilated in both the Land Cruiser and the first edition. So with the infotainment, we have a Toyota multimedia system that comes standard with over-the-air updates, and now we also have standard wireless Apple CarPlay and standard wireless Android Auto. There will be an 8-inch screen on the 1958 model and a 12.3-inch screen on the other models. There are 6 speakers in the 1958, 10 in the Land Cruiser, and you can upgrade to the 14 JBL speaker system as well. There's also an available heads-up display, available Wi-Fi, available Qi wireless charging for your cell phone, and so many more incredible options to really make your Land Cruiser feel luxurious. Now, talking about the off-road features, there are several of those that come standard, including multi-terrain select. So you can select the drive mode that your vehicle is in, whether it be mud, sand, loose gravel, things like that. And there's also standard crawl control, which is like cruise control at low speeds. There is a standard center locking differential and a standard rear locking differential as well. And in the higher trims, there is a front stabilizing bar disconnect and a multi-terrain monitor, so you can watch the terrain as you're off-roading on your 12.3-inch display there. All right, moving on to safety. Safety is going to be our standard Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system that will be included on every single Land Cruiser, and it includes premium safety features at no extra cost, including pre-collision system, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic high beams, and more. And we're also going to give you our great warranty package on the hybrid system. You'll have 8 years or 100,000 miles of warranty on the hybrid parts, and 10 years or 150,000 mile warranty on the hybrid battery. And of course, you'll get 2 years or 25,000 miles worth of Toyota Care, which is Toyota's complimentary roadside assistance and complimentary scheduled maintenance.